I make a fun festive drink and I make a Christmas platter. But this year we're also making bagels, and for the platter we're also making Christmas crack. So the drinks is literally just this thing called Soul Bevy, which is like the first limoncello spritz in a can. But I'm gonna do like a little ice thing. So at the bottom is frozen is like an orange slice, a lemon slice, some pomegranate, and then a rosemary sticking out, so it's like a tree, and then we'll freeze that, and then that will just be the drink with that presentation. So we're slicing the orange and the lemons really thin. Since it's not a big lemon, I might do 2 slices, since the orange will fit the glass. So we have 5 glasses for 5 people. So 1, 2, 3. These can go together because this one 4, and then we need 1 more. 5! Oh my god, that's too big. What the hell? We're doing the exact same thing here, where you're cutting the orange slice pretty thin, although I'm butchering that, oh my gosh. Then we chuck it at the bottom, so it's like this. This one's gonna have 2 because it was like smaller slices. Gonna go in, chuck this one in, and then this one can have 1 lemon. I'm gonna add a little bit of this part in, just to use it up. Just means the ice is a little bit flavored. I don't know, I'm kind of just winging it, y'all. Fill that up with warm water. All right, I'm gonna pour the water in now. All right, I'm just filling it up a little bit, so it's just at the bottom. From here, we grab some pomegranate and we just put some more pomegranate in. What you do is you stick this in, and then you put that in the freezer, and then obviously the ice and all of that will freeze, and then the stick will stay, and then when you pour a drink in, you have like a little tree moment. So we literally just put this in the freezer. Limoncello in a can. So here's the drink, guys. Obviously, the fruit in the bottom with the ice, and then the little tree in the top.